In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can remove a payment method on your PlayStation 5. This is going to be something like a debit or credit card, but it's going to work with all payment methods that you might have attached. Before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do from your PlayStation 5 home menu is actually select the settings gear up in the top right to go into your settings. From here, scroll down one tick until you see users and accounts and go ahead and select that and then hit account just like so once it's fully loaded and hit payments and subscriptions just like so. Up at the top, there's going to be an option for payment methods. Go ahead and select that. And from here, you're going to see all of your saved payment options. Essentially, just go ahead and highlight the one that you want to remove and press the options button on your controller. And it's going to pull up with a page that looks like this, where you can either edit it or choose remove. Now, when you hit remove, there's going to be this button here. Simply go ahead and hit yes to confirm, and that is it. The payment method is now going to be deleted from your account. It is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. It does help us out and lets us know that you want more PlayStation 5 specific content just like this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.